We're at dinner. Get in. We're at dinner. This is the vlog that's gonna this is the vlog that's we're gonna do vision boards. We're about to go over our pictures with each other and order them. And then we're gonna go to Barnes & Noble, we're gonna go to Target, get all the Duplessis. It's gonna be great. Didn't force him to do this, he did willingly do this. He wanted to do this. You gotta tell the class so I don't look crazy.
That's great.
I'll show you our food when we get it. I did order a martini that I'm excited about. Got my passion fruit martini. Enjoy it. There's 2 straws on it. That's not even in it.
It kind of tastes like a popsicle.
It does. Yeah, you can't really taste the alcohol in it. We got crab cake, shrimp Alfredo, and chicken and waffles. This looks like it's gonna kill me later. This is gonna be great. Strawberry, white chocolate, strawberry. I'm at the forking table and I'm nerding out. I think I'm getting these stickers. Oh, Iron Flame. Are you finding any magazines? No?
I am.
Do kids still hit the whoa? Gardening and guns. Southern holidays. Some Louisiana stuff right there. Gardening and guns. Is gardening like gardening? Part 27,100 of me annoying Glenn.
Special edition, it's $41.
It might just be that much because it's Bon Jovi.
Really?
Yeah.
Gambino.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't know if
That's not childish, Gambino.
Miles are more than one Gambino. That's elite.
We need to find the S's for Steven Sanchez. Oh my god, Ariana, what are you doing here? Greta Van Fleet. Fleetwood Mac. Ooh, this is a good album. Can we get him? Give me. It's a clear vinyl. They have High School Musical, Glenn. Mamma mia. Oh, there's 2 discs in here. Glenn, I found Mamma Mia. I haven't seen Saltburn yet. I'm being told I should, and I think that's why I shouldn't. You stay there. Oh, this is supposed to be a really good musical, but I haven't seen it yet. My dad would like that one. Not Trolls. Not Trolls World Tour. This would be a good album. Deadpool Wolverine. There's good music in it. Yeah. Bridgerton. It's not looking like they have Steven. Picking out our frames. We're trying to decide what's big and what's too small. Black frame. I think I'm gonna get 16 by 20 white frame. He's getting the 12 by 18. I'm getting the 16 by 20. We're doing like the nice frames. What's cool too with the nice frames is that we can like re-put things in here. Like next year we can redo it with the same frame. Are they on?
Mm-hmm.
What do you see?
Gotham City.
Gotham City?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Am I just like around everything? Like what?
Well, now it's like, it's going through like a, let's see, like Instagram, messages, YouTube. It's like going like through like a slideshow thing.
Like a presentation of what it does.
Yeah.
The volume is crazy. Where's the volume coming out of? The like side panel thingy? Like the wings?
Oh yeah, like right here.
We just got home I didn't get to show my outfit earlier. Little date night outfit. This top is from Fashion Nova. This belt I've had for years. I want to say I got it at Target. It might be Amazon. And then I have my blue jean skirt from Amazon. My stomach is still showing in this, but it's better than before. So we just got home. We're not doing the boards tonight because it's 10 o'clock and Glenn has to go to work at 3 in the morning. So we're going to bed, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up our pictures from Walgreens that got printed, and then we're gonna do them tomorrow night and like make some at-home cocktails and stuff. Yeah, this is my little outfit. I feel really cute. I'm glad I wore this because I haven't worn this yet. It's the next day, and we are going to get caffeine first off, and the pictures and some tape and just a little bit more supplies so we can make our vision boards tonight. When we get back, there's a lot of cleaning I need to do while Glenn's sleeping, and then we'll be good to go. We're back. We got Starbies. Don't look at that. Look at me. Don't look at that. Look at me. As you can see, the house is a mess. We hosted Christmas. Christmas happened. We have the post-Christmas chaos happening in this house. So my game plan is to clean everything, set up little spots to do our vision boards, and then if I have time, I'm gonna start going through the cabinets because I want a house that is cleaned through for New Year's. So that's our game plan. You might see, you can't see right now, I'm wearing shorts, and you might see a clip of that, and that's fine, and you're gonna ignore that because it's Louisiana, and while it's December, you might be noticing I'm wearing shorts, okay? And you might be thinking, Abby, isn't it cold? Abby, it's December. Like, Christmas has passed. It's almost January. Are you not freezing? We know you have anemia. We know you're always cold. Why are you wearing shorts? Listen, it is 73 degrees here in Louisiana late December. So we're lucky it's not 90. Okay, there's been some Christmases and tank tops that we've had. So, mind your business. I'm gonna clean this, enjoy the chaos, and we're gonna get it. This is a hat Glenn got for Christmas for me, bed. I look like Les Miles. You see where my head is?
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want.
Bag one.
But if you don't want to
I
tell,
got me some cleaning stuff for my glasses too. So I got new cleaning spray because I'm learning a lot of things wearing glasses like full time all the time. We're losing lighting, so it's about to get vibey. Vibey. The Christmas present we got today from Glenn's ingredient. And it's so cute. I got you applies. They were out of chocolate croissants. I know. Kitchen done. Woo! That only took me almost an hour. I got it.
tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Isaiah 60:22.
Here we go. You can take me there tonight.
I have to scratch out. I get to go to the gym at 9 o'clock at night. I get to go to a stable job every day. I get to put gas in my car. Even though I don't want you to do it. we're starting our vision boards. We're using the picture that's in the frame and just flipping it backwards, and that's what we're going to tape our pictures to. It's like a little cushion. So we're going to get started putting all of our stuff together.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And then
in the top left corner, we have like stocks and stuff because I'm getting into day trading. I want to further my relationship with Jesus. And then this is like represents like me and Abby's marriage. And then this all is like future goals.
oh, is it big enough? So I have, this is like my fitness corner. It's like, because I'm focusing on my fitness and like walking, and I want to do more stuff outside and enjoy more nature. I have eating healthy as an act of self-love, so I can remember that, and then getting fit and stuff. Audrey Hepburn is an inspiration and herself. And then this is like my travel corner. So we plan on going to church. We plan on going to Puerto Rico. And then this is like places I want to go this year. I want to go to Charleston, South Carolina. And this is New York City, Vegas. I also just have like a little suitcase and stuff. And this is like for me and Glenn to travel together and just continue our loving marriage. Old ways don't open new doors, great reminder. And then this is like my religion area. So this is a rosary because I want to go more to Catholic church. We go to Baptist every Sunday, but I want to go more to Catholic church and like the vigils and some of the special masses. And then I have this Bible group with, because I want to start the, like keep going to the women's group at church, and then that's Bible. And then this is like friends and stuff to prioritize more friendships and make time for more friends. And then this is like a family gathering to continue. Family gatherings are special, so I want to continue with the special family gatherings. And then this has a quote, I want to be, quote, I see Jesus in her. And then obviously clear skin, shiny hair, healthy body. That's everybody's goal. And then I have books because I want to read a lot this year. And then just like little reminders and everything on there. And then that's like planning for like finances and like just planning life in general. You can put it down now. So yeah, that is our vision boards. Did you have fun making yours? Yeah. We're going to bed now. Glenn's just a tiny bit tired. You know, you can probably stay up to at least 5 more hours kicking it, but we are gonna go to bed. Rosie, do you want to say good night? Rosie says good night, everyone. Good night. Right there. Say good night. Oh, say good night.